Hi guys, Miss Morton here. I am here to walk you through how to get your computer or whatever device you're using to get it set up in order for your child to be able to take the MAP test next week, just to make sure your device is running optimally so that there won't be as many problems or hopefully any problems at all when they're taking the MAP test. So first of all, you want to make sure that you are using Chrome as your web browser. That is the optimal web browser. There will be fewer complications or issues using that web browser as opposed to like Firefox or Edge or Internet Explorer. So you'll click on Chrome, and then to make sure your device is ready, you'll go to this website, and this URL link is inside the MAP folder, which is also inside of the ELA Friday folder in your child's teacher's course for ELA. So when you click on this link, it will pull up this website, and you'll hit begin, and it's just going to kind of check your device to make sure everything is running optimally in order for the test to work best. So we'll click begin, and then it's going to walk you through, so got it. And then it's going to open a new tab to check the performance. So we'll click OK, and you'll notice that a new tab will pop up. Again, it's making sure you're not using Internet Explorer. Again, use Chrome. It just works best. So, okay, I'm ready. And then it's going to open this new tab, so check. And then it will open this tab. And so it's going to kind of run a diagnostic test on your computer or whatever device you're using, and it will tell you if you need to fix anything. So my computer failed. So we're going to go down and check and see what I need to fix. So it looks like it's a device issue with the resolution. So after you have run your check, you will go back to the tab that you were just in, this Device Readiness tab, and it will say which message you saw. Did you pass or did you fail? So I failed. So we'll click that, and then it wants to know where the error was. So my error, we'll go back and look, was in the device category. So we will click device. Maybe. Okay. Device. And then it wants to know what the issue within the device was. So mine was a resolution issue. So we'll click resolution. And then it'll walk you through how to fix that. So for me, I'm going to go to display and then display settings. I'm going to choose 100% in the scale and layout, and then make sure the resolution is greater than this number. So we'll click down here, go to display settings. We'll check, let's see, my scale and layout needed to be 100. My display resolution is larger than the number that it showed. So we'll come back. We will hit check again. Check your device. So check. All right, and this time my machine has passed. Awesome. So we'll go back to the tab that I was just in, and it's going to ask again, did it pass or fail? So mine passed this time. So now it's going to prompt you to go to the MAP growth testing site. So we're going to click OK. And then we'll click open test site. And so when you open the test site, you're either going to see log in, or you might see this oops screen. So let's see what I see when I open the test site. So I'm opening it, and I get the oops. So that means there's another small issue that I need to fix. So it says that either a pop-up blocker blocked this window, or there might have been some other small issue. So how to disable the pop-up blocking, we'll click that. And it can walk you through an easier way, in my opinion, to fix this pop-up issue. If you'll see up kind of in the URL or the web browser where you would type it in, you'll see this little pop-up button. If you just click that and hit always allow pop-ups from this website specifically, and then done, then refresh, it will take you now to the site. And so if you're just kind of testing this out this weekend to see if your device is ready, you won't be able to move past this login screen. You can try the practice test. The username and password for the practice test is within that map folder in the Friday folder in ELA, but you won't actually be able to start the test. This information will come from your child's teacher when it is their test time based on the Sign Up Genius slot that you all sign up for. So hopefully this has been helpful in trying to get your device ready. If you come across any other issues that you're not able to work through, please let your child's teacher know. We'll be happy to help.